Oh, what speed is this? I don't know. I don't really know. Oh, so 101 minus 35 is 66. So the latest I've done is 66. I'm just going to see the latest I've truly done. Okay, like and subscribe so I can get to my goal 100 subscribers. Then my next goal after that is going to be 200.
China, but it can't be. So maybe what I can make sense, but just send it to me.
So I'm going to make it speed 65 now. This is actually going to be a video. 2048 tiles glitch me. Or 2048, depending on what you'd like to call it. Tiles glitch me. I've already made a video speed that's as low as 3. 3. What do you mean when it's as low as 3? Oh my god. What? Why is the network bad? Oh, the network. So, wait, I'm just going to check my network connection. Is this all good? Yes, this is all good. Why is it not working then? Connection is just middle. Okay. The server was... Respond, server, please! This video is going to become boring if you don't respond, server. Oh my god, how long have I been recording for? Almost 3 minutes already. Oh, come on. Oh, I hate the server. Oh my god. I think I'm okay, fine. I'm going to use Chrome. Wait. no, not 2024. Oops. 2048. Tile glitch me. I typed it in with spaces. Almost 4 minutes, I think. Oh, over 4 minutes now. Oh, come on. What? Oh, come on. No, no. No way. That's crazy. It's crazy. I'm going to fall asleep. Oh, come on. What? Will the 5 minutes mark. Oh, come on, reload. Oh, come on. Connection timed out. What's the connection speed? I don't even know what my connection speed is because I can't take a test and connection speed test. Maybe it's like 100 kilobytes now. Or maybe even less than 100. Maybe it's like 99 or 91. I think it's maybe 50 kilobytes a second, which is like as fast as maybe 2G. Oh my god, that connection is really slow and it says it's weak. It's weak. Connection, you're weak. Oh, come on. 6 minutes and 9 seconds now. Oh my god, come on. If it exceeds 7 minutes, I'm going to end the video. How much is it now? 6 minutes and 35 seconds. I think it's 6 minutes and 43 seconds now. 6 minutes and 46. Oh my god, it's about to become 7 minutes. Oh my god. You know what I'm just going to waste? Oh my god. Oh my god. Why is the connection? Oh, it's average now, not weak. But why do I not ever get strong connections? Ah, the connection's weak again. The strong connection's never reached. Oh my god. 7 minutes and 47 seconds. Oh, come on. I'm going to change the purpose of this video if it exceeds 8 minutes. Or no, 9 minutes. Oh no. What? 8 minutes and 26 seconds. Oh, come on, no. Eight minutes and 48 seconds. 9 minutes now. Oh my god, it's exceeded 9 minutes. Now it's like 9 minutes and 5 seconds. It's going to actually change the purpose of the video. What purpose can I make? Convert your Gregorian to hijri tutorial in shortcuts. It only works on iOS, macOS, and watchOS, and iPod OS, and iPad OS. It's only available on Apple devices. So, wait, okay, so Where's the converter that I already have? Not this. G. I'm just going to search G. Oh, this. Wait. Put in here, ask for input, and put this here. After the ask for on number, and after the word with, put the prompt which Gregorian year, and then do a calculation. The second block is 2020. Say 2024. No, the current year minus provided input. Then calculation results divided by 33. Then round calculation results to the ones place. And then calculates 579 plus rounded number. Why for the fourth block round calculation result to ones place? Well, that's because we don't need any we don't want any fractional numbers. Then at the sixth block, the sixth action is setting the variable 1 to calculation result. Name it whatever you want. It doesn't have to be 1. Then calculate the variable 1 minus 1. Then calculate the provided input minus the variable 1. Then calculate the provided input minus the calculation result for the 8th block, 8th action. Then show the H year in that given Gregorian year is calculation result and calculation result. The calculation holds for which blocks? The 8th block. This is for the 9th block here and the 10th block here. How many actions does this have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. No, this is actually the 8th. This is the 9th. The first calculation result in the show alerts is the 8th, and the second is the 9th. Okay, goodbye. See you in the next video. Also, I haven't made a video in like a month.